I'm Jim Caskey, Professor of Geology and Director of the Environment and Sustainability Program at William & Mary. I'm really excited about the Environment and Sustainability Program because it brings together faculty and students from all over campus to find solutions that restore the balance between people, nature, and the environment. We're an interdisciplinary major and have been around for over 20 years. Because environmental problems are so complex, they need to be analyzed and solved using a combination of perspectives from the natural sciences, social sciences, and humanities. We actively engage the business, education, law, and marine science schools to draw faculty from nearly every discipline at William & Mary. While our research can take us around the world, much of it is conducted on our campus. Every environment and sustainability major will take at least one science field course, many of which are taught on Lake Matoaka, which is one of the oldest mill ponds in North America, or in the surrounding college woods. Most ENSP students complete a mentored independent research project as part of their curriculum. Here they develop real skills and analysis that make them very sought after by employers and graduate schools. Our students receive research funding from the Charles Center and private endowments to work on research projects.
This summer we got to do a population study on the turtles in Lake Matoaka. We got to go out every morning on a canoe and pull the turtles out of the traps into the boat, count them up, measure them, all that kind of thing.
We're counting the turtles of a native species, the red-bellied cooters, and the non-native species, red-eared sliders, and then using the numbers of turtles that we caught to estimate the populations in the lake. So we found that the native population of turtles is a lot bigger than the non-native population, which is really good news.
For my senior research for geology, I studied and analyzed a sediment core from Jolly's Mill Pond, which is in James City County. I analyzed it for lead and zinc, and what I found was normal for lead, but for the zinc it was highly elevated. And after doing some further research for the pond, I realized that the zinc came from a landfill which had closed in the 1970s.
The Keck Environmental Lab sits on the shores of Lake Matoaka and hosts field research and outreach activities for many different departments on campus.
My specialty is historical archaeology, where I am investigating 17th century Tidewater, Virginia sites related to early African presence in the Virginia colony. We used a soil core to recover sediments from different depths, and the goal there was to better understand what the environment looked like, what exactly the multi-ethnic community living on Mulberry Island in the 1600s were eating, what they were using to maintain their well-being, especially with the variety of plants that were not just in North America at the time, but also were being brought over from Europe and from Africa.
We've expanded to have 3 tracks that allow students to specialize in the environmental humanities, natural sciences, or social science and policy. Our students have primary majors in biology, geology, economics, history, English, public policy, art, sociology, government, and everything in between. There's really no limit to what ENSP majors can do because of the knowledge and skill sets they get in our program.